Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be doing lesson 1, which is rhythms. Now, the most important thing in music is rhythm. Counting rhythm is the most important thing in music there can be. There are also notes playing too. So before we get into playing the recorder and the ocarina, we have to learn how to count rhythms. So I'm going to teach you the basic rhythms, which are whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes. We're not going to get into 30-second notes or anything. So the whole note lasts for 4 beats, and it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it depends what time signature you're in. If you're in a time signature of 4/4, that whole note is going to last for 4 beats, and you won't have any other note. And we'll get into time signature and key signature later on. But yeah, a half note gets 2 beats, and it's counted in as 1, 2, 3, 4. A half note lasts is twice as slow as a whole note. A whole note is the longest note. Half note is second longest. A quarter note gets 1 beat. It's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is a basic note. I mean, you could just count like that and just call it quits, basically. An eighth note, it's kind of a little differently. It gets half a beat. It's kind of 1 and 2 and. So if we were to put that in a measure of 4/4, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, half notes need to be beamed together, but it depends, because if they're beamed together, that means they're one whole beat. So that's why there's a 4 and at the end. A 16th note, on the other hand, gets half of the value of an eighth note. So basically, 2 16th notes equal 1 eighth note. So it's 1 E. And, okay, so counting 16 notes, it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And if we were to put that into 4/4, into a measure of 4/4, it would be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So obviously you want to practice those measures before we get into the playing. So I highly recommend you listen to this lesson, and then we'll get on to playing some music on our first 3 notes. Have a good day.